Hi, my name is Neff, and I help vacation rental owners get more direct bookings on their website. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install Encharge site tracking using Google Tag Manager. Let's go over to Settings, and let's head over to Site Tracking. Let's go ahead and copy the code here. Next, let's go to Google Tag Manager. If you don't have a Google Tag Manager account, that's okay. I created a video for you to set you up. In either case, go to tagmanager.google.com, select your workspace. Here I have my cabin promos workspace, and then head over to tags. From here, we're going to create a new tag. Let's give our site tracking tag a descriptive name. And next, let's go to tag configuration. Let's scroll down to custom HTML, and let's paste the site tracking code. Let's scroll down to triggering, and let's trigger on all pages. Click on Save. Next, let's preview our changes to make sure everything got installed correctly. Enter your website URL if Tag Assistant didn't capture it automatically, and click Connect. Tag Assistant is going to open up a new tab with your website. So next, let's go back to Tag Assistant to make sure that the tag got fired. Let's click Continue. And underneath Tags Fired, we can see Encharge site tracking got fired. Everything looks good, so let's head back to Google Tag Manager and let's submit our change. Let's enter a version name and a version description. Last but not least, let's click on Publish.